morning to all respected principals, sir, Lalita ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Gautam Kartikeya from 5th grade in Vishasanti Smart School. I am going to tell about countries and their capitals: India, New Delhi; Afghanistan, Kabul; Australia, Canberra; Bangladesh, Dhaka; Bhutan, Thimphu; Brazil, Brasilia; China, Beijing; Canada, Ottawa; Denmark, Copenhagen; England, London; Egypt, Cairo; Estonia, Tallinn; France, Paris; Germany, Berlin; Greece, Athens; Indonesia, Jakarta; Iran, Tehran; Iraq, Baghdad; Italy, Rome; Japan, Tokyo; Kuwait City; Maldives, Mali; Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar; Myanmar, Naypyidaw; Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur; Nepal, Kathmandu; North Korea, Pyongyang; Oman, Muscat; Pakistan, Islamabad; Philippines, Manila; Qatar, Doha; Russia, Moscow; South Korea, Seoul; Saudi Arabia, Riyadh; Singapore City; Sri Lanka, Sriwijaya; Jaipur, Kottayam; Colombo; Thailand; Bangkok; Turkey, Ankara; UAE, Abu Dhabi; Vietnam, Hanoi; Yemen, Sanaa. Thank you all.